Hey guys, we're doing a box break. 2007 Topps Sterling. Let's see what we get. Keep it in frame the best I can. Alright, there's the mystery pack. Ooh. Okay. Mike Smith box. Alright. Lighten those things up. Nice looking box. I don't like the player as much, but let's see. Oh, that's a nice looking card. Let's see. Here we go. Mike Smith. Looks like two pieces of a bat, 2 pieces of jersey. Dual, number 7 of 10, autograph. It's nice. Base card, numbered to 94 to 250. Numbered 161 of 250 and 193 of 250. Now, let's see what's in the mystery pack. Zoom in on that. Oh, Reggie Jackson. 15 of 50. Thanks for watching.